Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for smart product reviews and honest recommendations. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best portable dishwasher freestanding compact unit available right now. It's the COMFEE portable countertop dishwasher, and if you've ever dreamed of having a powerful, compact dishwashing solution that doesn't require complicated installations, this is it. So, let's explore exactly why this little powerhouse is turning heads. First off, let's talk about the freedom this dishwasher offers. The COMFEE portable dishwasher comes with a built-in 5-liter water tank. That means no external water hookup is needed. Whether you're in a small apartment, dorm, camper van, or even an RV off-grid, you can just fill the tank and let it run. That's real portability, and it gives you flexibility that traditional dishwashers can't compete with. Now let's get into how it performs. This isn't just a convenience machine, it's built to clean seriously. With 360-degree dual spray arms, it blasts water from multiple angles, ensuring your dishes are spotless, even in a compact chamber. The result? Stubborn grease and stuck-on food don't stand a chance. This is especially great for tight loads where you still want the thoroughness of a full-sized machine. What about cleaning modes? You get 6 washing programs: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and baby care. Whether you're dealing with delicate wine glasses or grimy baby bottles, this machine has a cycle that's tailor-made. The baby care mode uses high-temperature steam. We're talking up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, to sterilize bottles and dishware, making it a favorite for parents who want convenience and hygiene all in one. Speaking of high temperatures, let's appreciate how serious this dishwasher is about sanitation. The 192 degrees Fahrenheit high-temp steam not only removes grime but also eliminates up to 99.99% of bacteria. That's the kind of deep clean you normally expect from large, expensive dishwashers, not something this size. And it finishes with an air-dry function, so your dishes come out dry and ready to be put away. Its design is another highlight. It's sleek, modern, and clean, typically available in white. The compact footprint fits neatly on most countertops without taking over your space, and its transparent viewing window lets you peek in as it works, which honestly is more satisfying than you'd expect. There's even a digital display to keep track of the cycle time, giving you that extra bit of control. And don't worry about setup. It includes all the accessories you need: the water tank, hoses, adapters, and even a fruit basket for the fruit wash mode. Just unpack it, plug it in, fill the tank, and you're ready to go. It's plug and play at its finest. If you're someone who wants a hassle-free dishwashing experience without tearing up your kitchen or spending hours on plumbing, the COMFEE portable dishwasher is your dream come true. It's efficient, compact, and designed for modern living, especially for people on the move or working with limited space. So there you have it. The COMFEE portable countertop dishwasher is more than just a space saver. It's a full-featured cleaning machine in a compact shell. Whether you're a busy parent, a digital nomad, or just someone who hates doing dishes by hand, this unit has you covered. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one, and drop a comment below. If you've tried this dishwasher or are thinking about getting one, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.